ZANU-PF figure Killer Ziv has revealed that they initially had a negative perception of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's special advisor, Temtapo Tungwarara, before later revising his opinion. Let's pray for Tungwarara, declares Killer Ziv in a stunning statement. Subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Ziv admitted that his early judgment of Tungwarara was misguided, saying he had since come to view him in a more positive light. The outspoken politician went on to comment Tungwarara's character and leadership qualities. Sharing his thoughts on X last week, Ziv wrote, "Uyu ndanga ndisingamufariri zvangu zvachose nokuti akangokaruka amera semushroom. But to be honest, I was wrong. The guy is more than what you can imagine. Let's pray for this future leadership. Anodzokera kana akanganisa, anotumika, ane rudo. Let's pray for him." His remarks signal a shift in attitude, moving from open dislike to public admiration, as he encouraged others to support and pray for Tungwarara's leadership potential. Doma developments aripo panguva ino uchinokonzwa naTungwarara ndo vari leader madrives ema-constitutional amendments nemarallies, vachinoenda vachinopa vanhu bhasikoro, mafuta ambazi nezvimwe zvakadaro, zvoita kuti Killer Ziv sevanhu veZANU-PF panguva ino vaadmire his behavior, noda kuti ari kusapota the agenda 2030 nekuikurudzira. Nangoma section medu mbuto dzamafunguro emoti kuti pamusoro pezviitiko izvi aya nemadevelopments awa. Musawana subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.